Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. In the tracking field, every day we are create the report for our business. So we have to understand that how to create the report in our Google Analytics 4. So today I am focused on the standard report in Google Analytics 4, and firstly we have to understand some user definitions. So we are landing on Analytics homepage, and you can see that at a glance we are see the all kind of report for our business. So firstly we are see the users, new users, sessions. So what is the user for Google Analytics 4? That's user means the if your any visitors land your website and who are start the any kind of sessions or any kind of conversions, whatever you say, so Google Analytics 4 count the user. Why I am say that? Clicking on that, and here you can see the total user. Our total user 18k, but our user is only 14k. That means that our total user is 18k, but our user is 14k. So now question is, what is the total user and what is the user? Total user basically includes all visitors who have landed on your site, and then Google Analytics for tracking all of them. Even if any visitor landed on your site and visit your page for only 2 or 3 seconds, Google Analytics 4 are trying to tracking those users. That user will be included in number of the total user, but user is our 14k because the user are have some interaction or activities on your website. So we are understand what is the user and what is the total user. Then we are come back to the new user. What is the new user? New user is the number of people who have never visited your site before in the specified date range. Which date range? You can see that last 7 days. We are say that last 7 days our new user is 12k. Then we are see the session. What is the session? When a user start a sessions or land on your site or apps, that session will be start. Suppose that is my website. I am landing on your site and scrolling it, and then the session is start according to the Google Analytics 4. So what is the duration of the session time? Google Analytics says that they are counting the sessions for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, they are start the new session. If you go to the session, then we can see that engage session. That's really most important thing for reporting. What is the engage sessions? Google Analytics say that there is the 3 requirement for the user engage session. One is a user comes to your website and visit a longer than 10 seconds, then Google Analytics for counting the engage sessions for this user. And second one is the user must be have any kind of conversation on your website. So what is the conversion? If any visitor comes to your website and they are scrolling your website, they are clicking your button, they are reading some your blog, that will be the conversion. So if any visitors comes to your website and they have created some activities, that means the conversions. Third one is the page view and skin change. If any visitors comes to your website again and then again visit the page or change your website skin, that means that is the engage session. So why we are talking about this user definitions? Because in the reporting section, that each and every user definition is most important thing to create a standard report for Google Analytics 4. And here you can see the returning user. So what is the returning user? The number of user who have initiated at least one previous session regardless of whether or not the previous session were engaged session. So that is the returning user. They have completed the previous at least one activities, then comes to your website, that is the returning user. And session per user is in the Google Analytics 4, the session duration is 30 minutes. So every 30 minutes per user, what is their activities, that means the session per user. In the next video I will show you how to create the standard report for your business. In this video, we are just talking about some user definitions in Google Analytics 4. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.